Today, we are going to talk about ApiX-Drive, a no-code automation platform that helps you automate over 400 workflows without writing a single line of code. Many freelancers, small business owners, and marketers spend hours manually moving data between apps, updating spreadsheets, sending notifications, or syncing the customer information. ApiX-Drive is designed to handle all of this automatically, so you can focus on work that actually grows your business. In this video, I will explain what ApiX-Drive is, what is the key feature of it, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works with AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and explore simple tools and practical platform that help the freelancers, small businesses, and creators to save time and work smarter using easy and powerful technology. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link from description to explore ApiX-Drive with any available lifetime offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any coupon code or doing anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, ApiX-Drive is built to connect different apps and automate the workflows. Instead of manually copying data, sending emails, or updating tools, the platform can automatically transfer information and trigger actions across your favorite apps. This saves time and eliminates repetitive tasks. One of the most powerful and important features of ApiX-Drive is pre-built integration. It supports over 400 apps including Google, Sheets, Gmail, Slack, Trello, Shopify, and many more. This means you can connect the tool you already use and start automating workflows without any coding knowledge. Another key feature is workflow automation. You can set up automated sequences that trigger actions based on specific events, such as new leads, form submissions, purchases, or emails. For example, you could automatically add the new customer data to a CRM, send a welcome email, and update a spreadsheet all without touching your keyboard. ApiX-Drive also allow the custom automation. That means you can create workflows tailored to your business needs. You are not limited to preset template, which makes it flexible for freelancers, agencies, or small businesses with unique processes. For small businesses, one of the big advantages is time saving. By automating repetitive work, you reduce manual errors and free up hours every week. This allows you to focus on revenue generating tasks instead of administrative work. Another helpful feature is multi step workflow. You can chain the multiple actions together in a simple automation. So, tasks that normally take many steps that can be completed instantly. This is ideal for handling complex business processes efficiently. ApiX-Drive is particularly useful for freelancers, online business owners, marketers, and agencies who manage multiple tools and want to streamline operations. It removes the need for manual data entry and helps your business to run smoothly. Now, let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. ApiX-Drive is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. That means you pay once and get long-term access. This is especially useful for anyone who relies on multiple apps and wants automation without paying monthly subscription fees. The first year is usually for solo users and beginners. It provides access to the basic automation features and limited number of workflows, which is enough to get started and save time on daily tasks. The next year is better for growing businesses. You can create more workflows, connect additional apps, and automate the larger processes. This is ideal if your business has multiple tools and frequent tasks that need automation. The higher tier plan is designed for advanced users or teams. This plan support 1000 connections and more workflows, more app connection, higher task limits. If your business rely heavily on automation or this kind of connection, then this tier give you full flexibility and scalability. If you want to automate hundreds of workflows, save hours of manual work, and connect all of your apps seamlessly, checking the lifetime deal through the description link, that can be a smart step. So you just choose the tier that fits to your needs, and the offer will be applied automatically without any code. So overall, ApiX-Drive is beginner-friendly and a powerful no-code automation tool that helps freelancers, small businesses, and teams to streamline their work, save time, and focus on growth instead of repetitive tasks. So that's it basically for today's video, and that was the review on ApiX-Drive and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.